Hello everyone, Shyler here with Crypto Investors Network, and today I'm really excited to bring you this video because it took me a lot of time to figure out some of the information that I've put together today for you guys. And what we're going to be talking about is CoinMarketCap.com and talking about what to look for on that website, and get the most use out of it. All right, so at a time trying to figure what all these numbers meant and how to compare them and how to use them. And basically, to kind of start from the top, I'm looking at Power Ledger here, but we've got the ticker symbol, and then we've got the current price that it's going at. This price is the average between all of the exchanges right now, okay? And there's a little bit of lag time on it, but it's pretty accurate. It's the most popular one used. The next thing that we look at, we got market cap, okay? So market cap is going to be calculated by taking your market price, the 94 cents, and multiplying it by your circulating supply of how many coins are circulating right now. Okay, and that will give you your market cap. Market cap is a good indicator of how popular it is, how many people kind of are backing it up, how much money's backing it up, really. And so in this case, you've got $335 million in this company that's circulating around right now. So definitely quite a bit of money. And you can go on to, you can kind of scroll right up here and you can go to market cap and you can do all, and it'll price it or categorize it from 1 to 1,000, however many coins there are, in way of market cap. And so that can kind of give you an idea of where it ends up on the board there. So the next thing that we look at is going to be volume. Volume shows you how much activity is going on. So like with the dip with Bitcoin, we've got like 98,000 Bitcoin in circulation in a 24-hour period, and it started out at like 50, so it's almost doubled in volume. Well, what that does is it makes the price just fluctuate, just bounce up and down, and you get like some really big players. When that price fluctuates, you can make some really good money. You can buy it when it's low and then sell it when it's high, and you can have like a $1,500 spread or a $500 spread per Bitcoin kind of thing. And so that's what volume does, is it makes it volatile, makes it fluctuate a lot because there's a lot of people buying and selling. They don't know what to do, this and that. Circulating supply, I compare this to total supply. So circulating supply, I like it to have at least 3/4 of the total supply already out and circulating. The reason for this is because if there's not a whole lot of it out from the total supply, that can have a fluctuation on the price. It can make it less valuable if they start to it's kind of like printing money, just kind of print more of it and keep putting more of it out there, right? Kind of brings the value down a little bit. And when I'm looking at volume, you guys, my rule of thumb, take it as you will, but my rule of thumb is that if it has less than 500 Bitcoin in its volume, in its 24-hour volume, I don't mess with it. It just takes forever for anything to happen with it, and there's not enough fluctuation in it to trade it. So, and it just shows that it's not a very popular company or coin. All right. So a couple other things here, just keeping it straight to the point, is that if you go down here and you press the Markets tab, this will show you every exchange that this coin is being sold on. So you'll see that some coins have like 2, maybe even 1 exchange that it's on. And I think minimum it needs to have at least 5, because if it's only on one exchange, you're going to have to go set up an account, you're going to have to go transfer Bitcoin over just to go purchase this one coin, and that just makes it difficult. It makes it difficult for everybody. If it makes it difficult for me, it definitely makes it difficult for everybody. It doesn't make it very appealing to want to go get that coin, okay? So those are definitely some things that I look for, and that's how I kind of compare it all. So make sure that when you're checking this out, your market cap, go see how it compares against the other 1,000 coins that are out there. Your volume, make sure it has over 500 circulating in a 24-hour period. Your circulating supply, make sure it's at least 3/4 of your total supply. And lastly, go see how many exchanges are on it. So lots of valuable information right there that you guys can use to give a quick reference to a coin and kind of see if it's worth moving forward and researching more on. So hope you got a lot out of that. You guys have a great night.